welcome to my channel. So today I used this Urban Decay Born to Run eyeshadow palette. You can see my eyes. They're pretty colorful. This is a artsy look. I decided that we're born to run. We've got lots of fabulous colors in here. Let's just do something out of the box that is not like the everyday kind of look you would normally see. So this is the palette. It's got lots of fun colors in here, but also lots of neutrals. You could do just like a warm smoky eye with this. You could do a lot of looks that are quite less less dramatic than this one, less over the top. But anyway, yeah, so if you watched my previous video, I said I was going to be doing 2018 favorites video soon. I just wanted to let you know in case you're seeing this after that. I filmed it twice and it did not work out either time. I tried to edit it. The first one, the lighting was bad. I was all over the place. The second one, I was out of focus. The first half of the video, I edited the whole thing and then just decided it was just too bad to post. So that did not work out for me. But anyway, yeah, so let's get into the video. Okay, so I've already primed my eyes and put some tape on. Now I'm just taking a fluffy brush with some translucent powder and I'm just setting my eyelids. Now I'm taking this shade Weekender right here, and I'm just going to be putting this all inside my crease. Okay, now we're going to jump in with some color. So this is my Morphe M441 brush. This is like a tapered crease brush. Still Shot, this color right here, is what we're going to start out with. So I'm just going to concentrate this a lot in my inner corner. And then slowly bring it out. Just gently dust it right here. We're going to be putting darker colors out here, so it's just mainly important that you get this intense and build it up right here on the main inner part of your crease. Now that we've got that really built up in the beginning of our crease and also blended out, we're going to jump in with this color right here. This is called Hill Ride. So I'm just taking this and I'm going to focus this on the center to the outer edge right here. Okay, so we got all of these bright colors on. This is about how I want it, so I'm going to leave it like this for now. I'm going to grab this really flat eyeshadow brush. This just came in my Naked palette, but I'm going to grab that and some of my Tarte Shape Tape. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to carve out my cut crease. So as soon as I've done this, I'm going to take this Morphe brush. This is the M167, just like a flat shader brush, I believe. And I'm going to take Big Sky right here. And I'm just going to pack that in all over the concealer. Now I'm going back with this fluffy brush from earlier and just taking this breakaway shade right here. I'm just going to highlight my brow bone and dust a little on my inner corners as well. I'm going to use my Maybelline Gel Pot liner in Black is Black to do a wing. Okay, so I've got like the base on. I'm just going to rip off this tape to finish my eyeliner because I really got to get in the corners and that is hard to do with tape on. Alright, so now that I've got my liner on, we're going to go the extra step and add some glitter liner on our cut crease. So this is for fantasy makers. You can use any glitter. I don't think I have any silver other than this, so that's why I chose to use this one. So you want to be really careful to not open your eyes like all the way, because you will probably get the glitter. It'll probably transfer depending on what kind you're using. So I'm just taking it all the way out to the edge, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to wait till it dries some, and then I'm going to go do another coat over it to make it a little bit more opaque. So I'm just going to pop on some mascara. This is the Urban Decay Troublemaker mascara. I have mixed feelings about this, but I'm just going to go ahead and use it for today. Okay, so I went ahead and did my entire face because that's not what this video is really about. Then I actually popped on some eyelashes as well because I didn't feel like doing that on camera. I haven't used them in a while, so these are the Tarte Center of Attention eyelashes. So I feel like they make this look better because just because it's so dramatic. I feel like you really need that, and I also really feel like you need like full face, so that's just my tips. But anyway, we're gonna go ahead and do some under eyes. So I'm just starting out with the color Still Shot from the top, and I'm just gonna start dusting it all along really close to my lash line. I'm going to take the same liner that we used earlier and just, I'm not even going to put new product unless I have to, and just gently drag right on the outer corners of my eye. Might have to get just a tad bit more product. Then I'm going to hop back in there with my brush and just kind of blend it out. And then my last step for the eyes is to just put some mascara on my lower lashes. Okay, and then to complete this entire look, I'm going to take Candy K lip liner first and align my lips really quick. And then taking the Decay liquid lipstick and just filling them in. Okay everyone, so this is the final look. It's a little bit different, really fun though, using this wonderful new palette. So if you want to see anything else in the near future and you have any ideas, let me know in the description box. Make sure to subscribe so you know when I post new videos. I think I should be doing a full face of first impressions from the drugstore soon, so you probably want to see that. But anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!